What is up, YouTube? It's your boy King of Visuals back again with another YouTube video. My bad for my big break, guys. I had a lot to deal with school and personal life. So I'm back on track, alhamdulillah. This year I'm going to try to be more consistent with the videos that I put on my YouTube channel. Things aside, in today's video, I want to show you guys the clone stamp tool inside of Photoshop in this little and short powerful tutorial and how it can enhance your photos. So without further ado, let's hop right into Photoshop and see how this tool can really enhance your photo editing game. Alright guys, so here we are inside of Photoshop with this beautiful picture that I took last week on my trip to Spain. This is in the south of France, in a place called Les Gorges du Verdon. It's a really beautiful place. We had an awesome time here. We did a little bit of kayak on the river and stuff. So we had a lot of fun. So first things first, what you want to do is make a duplicate of this photo, Ctrl.J, and hide the photo down below, because this is the one we want to work with. After this, you want to select the clone stamp tool. You're going to, nope, it's not this one. It is the clone stamp tool is this one. As you can see, the clone stamp tool, or the shortcut S. And after this, what you want to do is go. Now, for this picture, what I want to remove is all these little boats and these little people, which can seem a little bit distracting from the picture. Now, we are not going to remove all the people because this is a little bit time consuming, and this can be also time consuming for the purpose of this video. So what we are going to do is simply take some places on the picture to show you how easy and useful this tool can be. So first things first, I want to remove this car. The first thing that I want to do is hold in the Alt key and click on a target. And after this one, I remove this place. What you can see is this has been removed. Now, first, a thing aside, you know, an extra step in between what I wanted to do is I want to paint on a new layer. So what you want to do is create a new blank layer before this, and you are going to name it the clone stamp fill, so that we don't damage the picture itself. So as what I told you, the target is Alt this, then go to the layer up between and paint over it. See, this part is a little bit not the best one, but it's all right. Let's pick another target. Here you go. As you can see, and when I remove the clone stamp fill layer, as you can see the before and the after. As you can see on this side, it's not perfect, but you know, it gets a little bit of used to and a little bit of extra work. Let's do it on the water. So like we said, first Alt key on the target, and one important rule when using this tool is you want to select a target that has a close proximity of color. So as you can see, this area is pretty good, and let's paint, no, my bad, I painted over the picture. Alt the layer above it, and then you paint over it. As you can see, it's pretty good. And as you can see from afar, it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of the editing. So I'm going to flash forward in time so that you guys can see how easy and how awesome this tool is. So let's do it. And as you guys can see, this is the final picture. When I'm going to remove or just hide the clone stamp tool, as you can see, it's a pretty powerful tool, which has its benefits and its drawbacks. I suggest you just try and experiment with this tool and see what it can do for you to enhance your photo editing skills So this was it for today's video, guys. As you guys could see in the tutorial, it's a pretty useful tool. So what you just have to count in is to work non-destructively, which means that the things that you are going to hide on a new layer. So you make a duplicate of your picture, you make a new blank layer, and then you use the tool accordingly. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, as I'm going to be more consistent with my YouTube tutorials in the future. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys found about this video, if you found this very helpful. I know that Photoshop can be a little bit overwhelming for beginners, as it was for me. Now that I've learned through tutorials, honestly, I kind of get a lot more insight about the things that I'm doing. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below what you would like to see next. And see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.